get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
Hey you guys, so we're making another dessert today. Same brand like the brownie cupcakes, so I wanted to try their banana caramel keto muffin mix. And this is the nutrition. I'm not going to use the whole bag. Some people use this to make like a keto cake, but I'm just going to use enough to make a couple of muffins to last me through the week when I'm craving something sweet. So if you want to see how I make this banana caramel mix, just stay tuned. So I need melted butter, so I'm going to take some of this Smart Balance and I'm going to place it in the microwave for less than 10-12 seconds. You guys, this smells just like bananas. Now you know on keto you can't have bananas, but this smells so good. So I'm adding the keto caramel muffin mix into my mixing bowl. Again, I'm not using the whole batch because I want to save some for later. I'm just making a couple, and then now I'm going to add my melted butter. Then I'm going to add 3 eggs. Mix all the ingredients all together. I'm going to add some monk fruit sweetener. I'm just basically going to eyeball it. You could use half a cup if you like, but it all preference on how sweet you want your muffins to be. But not least, some vanilla extract. Muffins inside the oven for about 20 minutes, and this is how they're coming out, looking all nice and golden brown. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. And then we're just going to do the fork test to make sure it comes out nice and clean and pass. That's exactly how we want our muffins. Now this is how our muffins is looking. Nice golden brown. And just look at the inside, you guys. It looked like a beautiful cupcake, kind of, sort of. I can see how people use this as a cake mix also. And we're just going to take a bite. You guys, when I say this tastes good, this tastes really, really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?